Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a much requested recipe. This is creamy chicken pasta. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First we are going to cook the pasta shells. I've taken 1.5 cups of penne pasta for this recipe. Get the water boiling, add the pasta shells. Add a teaspoon of salt to the water. Turn off the stove. The pasta is cooked. Strain it and keep it aside. Take a white saucepan, add a little oil. So I have one breast of chicken that I've cut up into small pieces. I'm just going to cook that first. Season the chicken with a little salt, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, freshly ground pepper. Cook the chicken till it's no more pink and make sure it's cooked through. The chicken is cooked, I'm going to remove it and keep it aside. To the same saucepan, add a little more oil, about a tablespoon. You can use olive oil if you have. Add one large finely chopped onion. Add a few cloves of garlic finely chopped. Once the onions turn transparent, add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt, freshly ground pepper. Next, I'm adding 2 large cups of tomato puree. Now this puree is taken from blanched tomatoes. After adding the tomato puree, let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now add the cooked pasta. I'm going to add 150 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Next, add half cup of fresh cream. Now add the cooked chicken pieces. Finally, add a handful of freshly chopped basil leaves. Creamy chicken pasta is done. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. Garnish it with some freshly grated mozzarella cheese or Parmesan cheese before serving. So now you can enjoy this delicious, creamy, cheesy chicken pasta. Now those of you who don't want to add chicken, you can substitute it with vegetables like mushrooms or broccoli or capsicum and you can enjoy this creamy pasta. So do try and enjoy this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.